This video will go over question number 10, letter B, on how to write a rational expression given certain pieces of information. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to break it down step by step and look at each of the different descriptions to write the rational expression. So I'm going to go ahead and start by drawing the fraction bar to separate my numerator and the denominator, and then look at the vertical asymptotes. When I'm writing all of these, I will be writing them in factored form. So vertical asymptotes are in the denominator. That's where the denominator equals 0. So in the denominator for x equaling -1, that's going to be the factor form of x plus 1. X equals 5 will be x minus 5, and x equals 8 will be x minus 8. And that's where the denominator equals 0, is to those vertical asymptotes. Now, holes occur where the numerator and the denominator have factors that cancel out. So we're going to want to make sure that we put these factors in both the numerator and the denominator. So we're going to have a factor of x minus 2 and a factor of x minus 3 in both the numerator and the denominator to make that giant 1 to cancel out. So there's our holes. So the next thing to do is to look at the x-intercept. Now the x-intercepts are where the numerator equals 0, so I will need a factor for that to say x minus 10 to give me that x-intercept of 10, 0. The last thing to do is to take a look at our horizontal asymptote rules and how those apply. And here I want a horizontal asymptote at the x-axis, and that reminds me of n needing to be less than m. And remember, n is the highest degree in the numerator and m is the highest degree in the denominator. So as of right now, the highest degree in the numerator is 3 and the highest degree in the denominator is 5. So as of right now, I've already satisfied this rule of n being less than m, and so therefore I already have that horizontal asymptote occurring at the x-axis. So this is the most simplified rational expression that satisfies all of these different rules.